question for your midterm review. Okay, the figure shows a graph of the function f of x in the coordinate plane. A second function, g, is defined by g of x equals 2x minus 3. Fill in the blank. So we have f of 4 and g of 4, and we need to fill in the blank. Is f of 4 less than g of 4, greater than g of 4, equal to g of 4, or none? Those are the choices A, B, C, and D. So first I want to figure out the number for f of 4. Once I know what f of 4 is and what g of 4 is, then I could compare those two numbers. So for f of 4, I am going to look at the graph because the graph says f of x. Well, what does that mean that I'm looking for f of 4 on the graph? Well, if I'm given a number inside, then I'm given x. Okay, so I'm going to look at the x-axis for 4. Well, here's 4 on my x-axis. So now I'm going to find the point. The point at 4 is 4, 0. So that means the input of 4 gave me an output of 0. So that means f of 4 is equal to 0. So for f of 4, I have 0. Now I still need to figure out g of 4. Well, for g of 4, I'm going to use the equation g of x. How do I use that equation to find g of 4? Well, g of 4 means an input of 4 into the equation. The equation is 2x minus 3. So I'm going to replace the x with 4 because I want to figure out g of 4, an input of 4. And now I'm going to solve that equation. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then I have 8 minus 3, and I get 5. So g of 4 is equal to 5. I'm just going to write g of 4 next to f of 4 so that we could compare. So we got f of 4 was 0. Now we got g of 4 right down here was 5. And if I want to compare those, well, 0 is less than 5. So my answer is choice A, 0 is less than 5.